Hello, welcome to Legacy IS Academy. Today I am going to discuss editorial analysis of Hindu newspaper, that is a new global vision for G20. First of all, we will try to understand context of this article. So, according to Ministry of External Affairs, India will hold G20 presidency for from December 1st, 2020 and convene the first G20 leader summit in 2023. For that purpose, this article is important. Now, why this topic is important for us? Like we have in GS paper 2, topic bilateral regional global grouping, an agreement involving India or affecting India's interest. So it is a global grouping. So we can say that G20 is a global grouping where India is a founding member. Now we should try to see some of the fact regarding the G20. So global GDP or G20 contribute around 90% of world GDP, 80% of global trade, 60% of world population and more than 80% of fossil fuel emission. So G20 play a crucial role at a global level, like around 90% GDP, global trade, population and fossil fuel. This fossil fuel is very important for run the economy also, and it may contribute in global warming. So here this is the some idea about the G20. Now when we talked about G20 grouping, so why G20 grouping is very important in contemporary time. So we can say that G20 plays an important role in shaping and strengthening global architecture and the governance on all major international economic issues. So here top 20 countries are meeting together. Their relevance is very important. It recognizes the global prosperity. It recognizes that global prosperity is interdependent and economic opportunity and challenges are linked. So we have to understand, like in contemporary time, G20 is very important. Now we have to see some of the achievement of G20 from last one decade. So setting the path for future global economic growth. Okay, so top 20 leaders met annually and they have ensured like how we have to achieve global economic growth. Addressing global crises such as 2008 financial crisis, Iranian nuclear program, COVID-19 pandemic, and all 20 countries are also cooperating to fight against the climate change. Again, bringing tax reforms. All countries were agreed to address or to introduce minimum tax and are new rules to redistribute tax revenue from big multinational companies. Recast bilateral ties like 20 apart from G20 summit. This country also convened bilateral agreement with other countries, and human resource development and employment. All the countries are focusing to reduce gender gap, also increase participation of young people in employment generation. So all aspect these G20 has play an important role. Now India and G20. India has been founding members of G20. That is a one thing. Second thing is India also raised some concerns at an international level, like international action on terrorism. That is a one thing India promote. Dealing with economic offender. India want there have to be proper rules, regulation with regard to economic offender. Global taxation. India talked about we have to introduce the framework of waste erosion and profit sharing net framework, dealing with issues such as new digital technologies, new digital technology. So all the aspect these G20 had play an important role. Then what are the challenges we have in front of G20? So lack of effective power. So as of now, we do not have proper institution to implement the provisions of G20. That is a one major problem we have. And G20 is not legally binding. Whatever provisions are accepted during the summit, they are not legally binding on the country. Transparency and accountability due to absence of formal charter. They have informal charter as per demand. They are including their objective also, but they do not have proper formal charter. Okay. Protectionism, as of now we have seen America first, or many European countries are talking about interest of their own country, which may compromise globalization, liberalizations and privatization. So such things again create a challenge to G20. Ineffective measure with regard to climate change, addressing social inequality and global threat to democracy. Like G20 is not able to take proper measure. Like recently, Russia attacked on Ukraine. Now we have seen China, USA trade war. All the things are going on. G20 is not able to address those problems. Also, the exclusivity of its members has attracted criticisms, like African continent is not able to represent properly in the G20. So we can say that there are some issues with regard to G20. And now what we should do, we will try to address the issues which we have discussed, like continuity of the issues taken up across presidency. Whatever issues we have taken, that continuity has to be there, and in coming summit those issues has to be addressed. Second thing is provide the vision to bind all the country. We have to create some common features which has to be accepted by all 20 countries, like regarding climate change, regarding human rights violations, regarding terrorism. All these features have to be accepted by all the countries. Strengthening its ties with UN. The United Nations is a framework where countries can sit together and they can discuss the issues. Although some of the United Nations provisions are legally binding also. So G20 country again has to strengthen United Nations to make it more democratic, focus on infrastructure and food security. Like climate change create a biggest threat in the future, and it will create a challenges to food security also and existing infrastructure also. So G20 country again have to take measures to strengthen the infrastructure and again the food security. And finally, post-COVID, critical role to build robust global supply chain. Like critical equipment regarding the medical or other facility has to be available to the country. So this is basic about the G20. So we have discussed what is G20, a global grouping, what are the significance or what are the achievement of the global grouping, what are the India's proposal regarding the G20, what criticisms or what challenges G20 as a group is facing and what we have to do. So this is all about this particular topic. And again, thank you for watching this video.